Hi, I'm Bob Garrison from ICUSA, and we help people navigate the mysteries of Medicare so you can get what you deserve from the Medicare program. After all, you've earned it. People just turning 65 or those who are over 65 but have been working and are now ready to retire most often have many questions and concerns about Medicare. Plus, there are certain steps that must be taken to sign up for Medicare and avoid any Medicare penalties. And we can help you take those steps. Some of the top questions are, what is Medicare and what will it cover? Do I need to buy additional Medicare supplements or is just Medicare enough? When should I enroll and how is the best way to do it? And what is this prescription drug plan and how does it work? Now, we don't have time in this video to answer all these questions in detail, but in summary, the first thing you must do is enroll in Medicare Part A and B. You can usually do this online by going to socialsecurity.gov. However, if you already have Part A and just need to enroll for Part B, you will need additional forms and may need to visit the Social Security office in person. Each situation can be different. The next thing you should do is find a qualified independent advisor to help you in this process and help with finding the best Medicare supplement and Part D drug plan that works for you. Our agency offers workshops every month that teach people on the basics of Medicare, and our team of advisors assist people on an individual basis by appointment only. For more information, call me at 940-382-4700 or visit www.insuranceconnectionusa.com/Medicare.